Good morning, everyone. After some time again, I am with you now. So today's our topic is communication skills and the role of languages. See here, let me introduce first of all my teachers who are sitting with me. Language teachers are presenting today here. She is Miss Yasoda, Telugu teacher, and English teacher, and she has more experience and with good communication skills of the school. So thank you very much for you all three members presenting here today. So let me come to the point. I myself will introduce you. This is Sindhu Palle, Principal of Birla Open Minds International School, Tirupati. And today I came here to bring a good topic before you regarding the communication skills and the role of languages in it. Because languages and communication skills, these are interrelated, integrated parts. We cannot see them separately. See, first of all, these include language and communication skills include ability to understand others, first of all. We need, see, when I am saying something to you, whether you are understanding or not, when I am communicating something with you, you are understanding it or not. That is important. And afterwards, to express oneself also, it helps. Means, yes, I am expressing myself here and the opposite person also will express himself. So for all these things, to express my feelings and to make you understand what I am saying, for all these we need few things here. Those are words, and I use words. Yes, I am using words, and I am doing some gestures. My body language is different. So the way how I communicate with you, sometimes with gestures I can communicate with you. Sometimes while I am talking with you, while I am speaking with you, then my body language is also very, very important. So these are all, how we are developing all these things, how we are improving all these things among our kids, among our students. Today I came here to express all these things, and in this schooling, these three language teachers will play a major role. Because you see, even though the child is good at mathematics, though the child is good at social sciences or sciences, or all these things, but everything for all that base, the foundation is languages. Languages will enhance their communication skills. So let's come to the point. Today's my first, I would like to know from my teachers, most of the parents nowadays, most of the parents are worried about the communication skills of their children, right? Not only, even as the mother, you also have this agony. As a mother, you also having this agony. So this is a very common worry, very common point among many parents. Okay. As the language teachers, how do you address this problem? So first, let's Telugu, because it's our mother tongue. When we are the residents of Andhra Pradesh, let's give the first preference for Telugu. Okay?
సాధారణంగా ఒక విద్యార్థి తల్లిదండ్రుల నుంచి మాతృభాష అనేది నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. అంటే మాట్లాడడం మనకు తెలుసు, మా విద్యార్థికి మాట్లాడడం తెలుసు, తన భావాన్ని ఎలా వ్యక్తపడడానికి దానికి సహాయపడతాము.
Thank you, madam. As Hindi teacher, आप कैसे कर सकते हैं?
जहाँ पर बात हिंदी पर आती है, हिंदी एक कठिन भाषा है. हिंदी इज ए सम काइंड ऑफ टफ लैंग्वेज. ये जो भावना है ये विद्यार्थियों में स्प्रेड हो गई है. हिंदी कठिन भाषा नहीं है. दिस इज अ न्यू लैंग्वेज फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन बिकॉज एज सो मेनी डोंट स्पीक इट. ठीक है, जो भाषाएं हैं उनकी जो थोड़ी बहुत ए लिटिल बिट उसको थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ती है. बचपन से अगर फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड अगर हमको उसको ट्रेन कर दिया जाए तो वो भाषा बोलने में वो समर्थ हो जाएगा. ही विल बी वेरी एलिजिबल टू स्पीक इन हिंदी डिस्पाइट द the mistakes, we have to encourage and motivate the children to speak up the language first. That's
ओके,
all.
यहाँ तो आप हिंदी से भी थोड़ा इंग्लिश में अंग्रेजी में बात करने से वो कंफर्ट फील हो जाएगा हमारे पेरेंट्स को, जो कुछ भी अटेंड हो रहा है ना अभी तक. ओके, तो अच्छा चलो सर. अभी तो सॉरी. So now the part of our international language teacher, Miss Srilakshmi. So how do you address this problem, madam?
Yes, ma'am. So, being an English educator, I motivate my children to speak anything, any concept or any topic fluently. Okay, so I will, being a good and international language, so I allow them to speak, to communicate with me boldly. So if they commit any mistake, I am here to rectify it. So first let them try to speak on behalf of everyone. Then only what is the fear in them, they can vanish from their minds. So if you push them like speak fluently by using the punctuations where you have to stop or where you have to start like that, so the other spectators can also able to listen properly. And while they speak, they have to use their body language properly, and the voice should be audible also to everyone. So like that I can motivate the students. So then only they feel themselves that, so I can able to speak. So whether it is wrong or not, my teacher will communicate. So that feeling if the student has, so wherever he will go, he can do the job. So like that I can communicate.
Yeah, madam. Thank you very much. Actually, right, very good answers you have given. Here, I got one memory of a small example. When I was a child, when I was a student, my teacher used to say this example by taking the languages. So let me share that example with you. It's a Telugu master, మా తెలుగు సార్ అనేవారు అనమాట. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదో సెంటెన్సెస్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు రామునితో కపివరుని కానీ అని అంటే ఆ కపి అంటే రామునితో తర్వాత పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్స్ కామా పెట్టాలి, కానీ తో తర్వాత కా తర్వాత పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్స్ పెట్టడంతో రామునికి తోక వచ్చేసింది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ రామునితో కపివరుని ఇట్లని అని వచ్చింది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ వాట్ యూ సెడ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ కరెక్ట్ మేడం, 100%, బికాస్ పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్స్ are very important. If the place of the punctuation marks has been changed, then the meaning of entire sentence will change. So that's a good thing. And let me know one more concern. I have concern. What programs? Yes, acha. Till now you shared that how you interact with the kids in the class. So okay. Then according to that, what programs you introduce during regular schooling? Regular school means when the classes are going to regular classes. So what the programs you introduce in the class to improve the communication skills among your kids? And here one more point also, how Birla EduTech is different from others here. Okay. What programs you are introducing in the regular schooling to improve the communication skills among your students, and how Birla EduTech is different from others here? Means how is BEL is supporting you to improve the communication skills?
ఇక్కడ ఈ మాసంలో ఆగస్టు 29వ తేదీన భాషా దినోత్సవాలు జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. సో అలా స్కూల్లో భాషా దినోత్సవాన్ని కండక్ట్ చేయడము, పిల్లల్లో భాష పట్ల ఎక్కువగా అవగాహన కల్పించడము, వాళ్ళని సొంత మాటల్లో మాట్లాడగలగడము, చిన్న చిన్న గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్స్, వాళ్ళలో భయాన్ని పోగొట్టడము, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువగా మాట్లాడడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వడము, వాళ్ళు ఒకవేళ తప్పు చెప్తే కూడా వినడం, ఒక పక్క పిల్లలు ఏం చెప్తున్నారో ప్రతి ఒక్క పిల్లవాడి దగ్గర నుంచి వినడము, తర్వాత పిల్లల్ని అడగడం, ఇది మీరు చదవడంలో ఈ చిన్న తప్పు జరిగిందని వాళ్ళకి మంచిగా అంటే వాళ్ళకి అర్థమయ్యే రీతిలో వాళ్ళ మనసు ఉంచుకునే విధంగా కాకుండా వాళ్ళకి 2 సార్లు చదివించడం ద్వారా దానిలో తప్పులు అనేది ఏంటో అనేది వాళ్ళనే జడ్జిఫై చేసుకునే విధంగా వాళ్ళకు ఒక అవగాహన కల్పించడము, ఇంకా భాష పట్ల ఎక్కువ అవగాహన కలిగించడానికి కవులు, కవయిత్రులు, గిడుగు భాషా భావోత్సవాల్లో ఎక్కువగా గిడుగు పాత్ర ఎక్కువ, గిడుగు గురించి చెప్పడం, అట్లా తెలుగు రచయితలు, కవులు, కవయిత్రుల గురించి ఎక్కువగా పిల్లలకి చెప్పడము, ఆ విధంగా భాష పట్ల అవగాహన కల్పించడం లాంటివి నేను చేస్తాను.
आप कैसे कर सकते हैं सर वेदव्यास सर?
जब हिंदी की बात आ रही है तो वी विल अरेंज some competitions, and we will make some celebrations like Hindi Jhankar. In that celebrations, we will arrange some competitions like role play, reciting a
वो
poetry.
हिंदी जमकार तो हिंदी दिवस के अवसर पर होता है ना?
हाँ, हिंदी दिवस के अवसर पर होता है, और हिंदी दिवस जो हिंदी डे सेलिब्रेशन है वो सितंबर 14 को होते हैं. उसमें इन दैट कॉम्पिटिशन्स वी विल मेक स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट एंड वी विल टीच देम हाउ टू इम्प्रूव देयर लैंग्वेज स्किल्स. इससे बढ़कर भी उन लोगों में थोड़ी सी इनसिक्योरिटी होती है. इट इज़ द मैटर ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी व्हेन इट कम्स टू द लैंग्वेज, व्हेन इट कम्स टू द स्पीकिंग. ठीक है, वो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ को हम बाहर निकाल देते हैं. वी विल वैनिश द इनसिक्योरिटी and we will make them to speak up the language fluently. That is what I am planning, and what I believe is what has been taught, it should be in their mind, not only in their book. This is what I believe.
ओके, तो ये हिंदी जमकार के अवसर पर आपको कोई हेल्प मिलेगा क्या बिरला एजुटेक से?
हाँ, मिलता है.
कैसा बता सकते हैं क्या?
जैसे मैं एक ही that I am alone, I can't do that big celebration. So हमारे जो बाकी टीचर्स हैं, I will get some help. and
बिरला से कैसा हेल्प मिलता है सर आपको?
बिरला से जो भी मैं प्लान करता हूँ, what I plan according to the curriculum of बिरला. ठीक है, मैं उसमें उनका बिरला का एक स्टैंडर्ड होती है, उसके हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट स्टैंडर्ड आई विल प्लान. ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ ही मैं बेसिक्स पर भी बहुत ध्यान दूँगा. आई विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन मोर ऑन बेसिक्स.
प्लान तो वो लोग देते हैं, जिससे आपको प्लान मिलेगा उसके साथ
आप यहाँ जो विद्यार्थी हैं उसके हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आई विल प्लान.
वो प्लान तो मॉडिफाई अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकल सिनेरियो, द प्लान विल बी मॉडिफाइड बाय यू. So when it comes to the point of yours, Srijashri Madam, so what's the programs you conduct and how Birla will support you, and any support Birla EduTech is different. So can you tell me how it is different from others?
So as ma'am asked, our school is unique from others because apart from curricular activities, we are introducing the co-scholastic areas also. So at the end of July month, we are going to celebrate Reader's Day. So what is the significance of Reader's Day means? Here we are inculcating the reading habit. So reading habit in the sense always taking the book and reading and not this. So here reading will happen in the form of fun and pleasure. Like reading in the form of songs, reading in the form of doing hot seat activities, reading in the form of searching the words from the given words. So what it will encourage the students means, so reading, we can do reading this type of way also. So they will show more interest in reading. Apart from the regular words, here the bell is giving the plans. So first day what we have to do, second day what we have to do, third day what we have to do. So by this, here they cover all the LS or W skills. Here there is no involvement of the teacher. They have to read all those things. They have to find out, and here group discussions will happen. So listening, they have to listen what the instructions the teacher is giving, and they have to communicate their ideas and shares within the group. So their speaking will develop, and they have to do that activity. So they have to write sometimes, they have to communicate with the other students also. So their speaking skills also develop. So here, by reading and speaking or listening, these activities will encourage them to read a lot. Okay, reading will not like reading the books. So we can do it in the form of different. Like one example I will tell you. So reading in the form of song I said. Like, come let's read, books all around. Here are books, there are books, books all around. So this is the one example. So reading in the form of sing. So like that, there are so many activities which our children last year enjoyed a lot. Then they have an idea that so reading will happen like this also. So they motivate themselves that so we can do it, ma'am, through this in the form of activities. So like that, it is different from others. Bell is a unique.
Yeah, very good, madam. Actually, now children are missing all these activities in the
Yes,
school.
ma'am.
They feel bored. if they were in the campus at this point, this is August, right?
August.
Telugu
Yes,
Mahotsav we used to conduct. And next Readers Day, and September Hindi Center. So we are missing all these, and our children are also missing all these things. Okay, so already in my introduction itself I said along with the communication skills, body language is presentation and body language, these two are also very, very important. So now you three said that regarding the activities programs which we conduct related to the languages. Apart from this, I would like to share many other things which can enhance the presentation skills and body language among the kids. So for that, you see, Mindtronics. Jumanji Wars, Mindtronics Jumanji Wars, this year we introduced. A baby of grade 2, Charvi, she done a very good job by getting the motivation from her. Many other students are doing Koshika and all this. These are all grade 1, grade 2 students. I wondered the way they are presenting the things. So how it comes means because of all of your support. So robotics is a very good program, very good events we are conducting here, which is totally unique item for our school. No other school in Tirupati is having this robotics. And we have a very good storytelling team. Bedtime stories. Initially we used to share other stories to our kids in the lockdown time. But now we developed our own team. Example from 10th class, Shalini and Chandani. Shalini and Vaishnavi. And grade 2, Charvi. These are daily in different languages with good body language and modulations in their voice. According to the character, they are changing their voice and giving the good bedtime stories to our kids. So storytelling also will enhance their communication skills. We are doing that. And presentation, to improve the presentation skills, we are doing mathematics. Both mathematical skills will develop and their presentation skills will develop by making this program. And Alpha to Omega, science related, science farm. We conducted a science fair in a great farm on the campus. All the children participated in that, and the way they expressed the things to the parents. Parents also felt very happy by listening their presentation skills, their communication skills and all this. So like this various wide variety of programs we are conducting related to subjects and related to languages. See here I am separating subjects and languages because language is language. We should not feel it as a subject. Okay. So programs are conducting various types to enhance the communication skills. And now reading, audio recordings they are sending, and debates. We are conducting the debates, quizzes and dialogues, etc. etc. For example, our assembly is a good example for communication skills and presentations, etc. etc. So this year we all are missing this fun, assembly fun we are missing. Okay. So good, madam. My last question actually 15 minutes to the rest, but we are taking 5 more minutes extra. So let's, how do you improve communication skills at classroom level? See, till now we discussed regarding the programs and overall enhancement in their communication skills. So now when it comes to the point of your classroom, then how will you improve their communication skills as a test teacher? So that is
తరగతి గదిలో పిల్లలకి జట్టు పని, నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు పెంపొందించడం, ఒక పాఠం విన్న తర్వాత ప్రశ్నలు వాళ్ళే తయారు చేసుకొని 2 గ్రూప్స్గా డివైడ్ చేయడం నా బాధ్యత చేస్తాను. తర్వాత పిల్లల్ని ప్రశ్నలు వేసుకొని పిల్లలు ఇంకొక జట్టులో సమాధానం రావటం, ఇంకొక జట్టు పిల్లలు ప్రశ్న వేసినప్పుడు ఇంకొక పక్క జట్టు వాళ్ళు క్వశ్చన్ వేయడం, అలా వాళ్ళలో ఇంకా మోటివేట్ అంటే తెలుగు పక్కన ఇంకా చదివి దానిలో అర్థం చేసుకొని ఓన్గా క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయడము, వాళ్ళని జవాబులు రాయగలిగేట్టుగా చేయడము, స్వీయ రచన ఏదైనా ఇవ్వడము, ఒక పాఠం అయిన తర్వాత ఊహించి చెప్పడం, తర్వాత ఏమి జరిగిందో అనేది ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క ఆలోచనలో ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కరి ఆలోచన ఒక విధంగా ఉండదు. అలా వాళ్ళల్లో ఇంకా ఆసక్తి పెంపొందించడం, ఆ తెలుగు పట్ల అవగాహన కల్పించడం, తెలుగు పట్ల భయాన్ని పోగొట్టడం, ఇంకా ఏకపాత్రాభినయాలు అంటే చెప్పించడము, బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్, నిలబడము, 10 మందిలో నిలబడి నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు చూపించడము. సో అదేవిధంగా సమాజంలో తనకి ఇంటూ మనం చెప్పించేటటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి సమాజంలో కూడా తనకు ఉపయోగపడేట్టుగా నేను వాళ్ళకి రకరకాల నృత్యాలు అనేది తరగతి పరంగా నేను తరగతిలో చేపిస్తాను.
थैंक यू मैडम, गुड गुड। आप कैसे कर सकते हैं सर?
जो जहाँ बात हिंदी पर आती है, आई विल मेक द स्टूडेंट्स टू रीड इन द क्लास because while reading the lesson they will get habituated to the language first. So there will be mistakes, वो गलतियाँ तो होती रहती हैं. So we will follow a process like suggested, the first reading, second reading and third reading. This is just a purification of mistakes. जो पहली बार जो होती है वो दूसरी बार कम होती है. The first time student will read on his own style, and second time we will correct the mistakes, and third time it will be very clear and student also know how to read it with a punctuation and with a intonation. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या होती है, संवाद, जहाँ तक कॉन्वर्जेशंस आर द मेन पार्ट इन लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज. ठीक है. हम उसको कैरेक्टराइजेशन देते हैं, वी विल गिव सम कैरेक्टर एंड दे हैव टू फॉर्म ए कॉन्वर्जेशन एंड दे हैव टू एनेक्ट इट. ठीक है. ये बात होती है. और तीसरी बात जो होती है, आई वॉज सजेस्टिंग द स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई एम एंड आई विल बी, देयर आर सम मूवीज, सम हिंदी मूवीज, they are very good and the student has to watch those movies with the parents.
Can you give an example for which movie?
Yes madam, definitely. So there are some movies like Hichki and Tare Zameen Par, Hindi medium and Angrezi medium, जैसे देशभक्ति, the patriotic movies also, Jack and Duster, रंग दे बसंती, जहाँ तक भगत सिंह की एक मूवी है, there is a movie on भगत सिंह. ठीक है. ये जो these are the movies we have to watch them to understand the communication. ठीक है. ये बात तो होती है.
Okay, good sir, good. So tell about yourself, madam. How will you improve the communication skills at class level?
I approach child center. Why? Because in child centered education we have to give more importance to the children. So here the teacher become passive and the student become active, like giving activities of role play. So they have to prepare their own dialogues and they have to execute it. So they can feel that, so I am playing this character, so I am the king, I am the queen. Like that they have to think and they will remember those topics forever. So they have to recall it after what the teacher taught. So they have to recall it forever and ever. So it becomes a long life learning for them. So not only role play, conducting debate and conducting group discussions, okay, conducting hot seat activities. So in hot seat activities they have to prepare the questions and they have to interview the other group. So whatever the questions they prepared, the other group has to answer, and the next group will prepare the questions and the next group will answer the questions. Like that, so whatever the topic we taught, so they will prepare the question and answers, they will tell the dialogues, they will execute each and everything. If we are giving more importance to them, they feel that even I know the content very well and ma'am gave chance to me a lot. So they will wherever they will go, they can use their activity, they can speak without any hesitation. So like this I can promote the way.
Very good, madam. By all these, I can say you are all giving means our school Birla Open Minds is giving child-centric learning, teaching learning process here, because we are making the child as the center point here. Teacher is passive, child is active. So that is the principle we have to follow. Teacher should not be active in the class. Child must be active. When the child is active, when we give the chance to the child to be active in the class, then he will be more expressive, more communicative, and more presentation skills will be in him. So that all these skills will be developed here. And for all these things, we are getting a lot of support from Birla EduTech Limited also, our head office. They are sending many activities and all those things. And we are little bit changes according to the local scenario we are making, and we are running all the things. And so today's thank you very much for coming here and giving the valuable suggestions and the valuable things what you are implementing in the classrooms to make a child as more communicative and more expressive and to develop the presentation skills. So thank you very much for Yashoda Garu and Vedavyas and Sri Lakshmi.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much for all the viewers. I think you are all understood the way we are giving the teaching learning process to the children in the campus, and we give full freedom to the children to be expressive in the campus. So thank you very much for being with us all this long time, lengthy of time, and let's meet. We'll meet with another good topic next week. Thank you.